before. You broke my heart at 16, the first I felt my world come crashing like magic. Like your heart was made of matches, I never got over it. I swear your friends know when I post your photograph. It doesn't really hurt, but it always takes me back to 16 in your basement, your parents, my feelings, and I never got over it. How did you break my heart without even trying? How are you on my mind? You're not even talking to me. You were made of matches and you burned me to the ground. You were made of matches and you burned me down. Everybody says that you're still living your life. One weekend to the next, still trying to get it right. The truth is, I worry you never found something to escape who